Question 18. Suppose you want to test the claim that mean 1 is greater than mean 2. Two samples are randomly selected from each population, and the sample statistics are given below. At a level of significance of 0.01, when should you reject the null hypothesis? So these are important only so far as we need to know what type of test we're doing. And because we see that these are population standard deviations with the Greek letter sigma, instead of sample standard deviations with the letter S. Because we have population standard deviations, we are using a Z test. So when we go to our critical value, we're going to go distribution normal inverse, not T. Now, this is mean 1 greater than mean 2, so that's a right tail, so the greater than. And the area is the 0.01. We don't divide by 2 because it's a one-tail test. We're only looking at the right tail. The standard deviation and the mean for a critical value, we always put 1 and 0. This is always 1 and 0 when we're finding critical values, which is what we're doing here. And so our critical value is 2.33. So what are we going to do? We're going to reject the null hypothesis if the test statistic is greater than 2.33. That's because we have a greater than here. If this was one tail on the other side, if it was a less than, then we would have to go for like a negative and a less than. But this is just a right tail test. We have greater than 2.33, and that's our answer. And that's question 18.